Here's how to get your Google API for EZDeals. Now just go here to console.cloud.google.com. So make sure you log into your Google account. So once you're logged in, so if it's your first time, you have to input first your billing details. So go here on the navigation. On the left side, we have the menu. So when you select billing, you have to add here your billing account. So add, and then the country, terms of service, then click on continue. So you can notice also here that Google will give you $300 credit for free for all the Google Cloud Platform products, right? So again, you have to specify and the next step is you have to fill out the account type if it's individual business. So you have the tax information, name and address, and how would you like to pay, so your card details. And then click on Start My Free Trial. So once you have set up, take note that once you have finished or used up all the credits, you will be charged for the recurring fees. Right? So once done in setting up the billing, now let's go to creating a project. So here you have to ensure that you have the billing account, and you should link a specific billing account to your project so that the API key that we were making will work. So you'll notice also on when you click My Project, so you have the billing account ID on the project that you will be creating. But when you are creating a new project, no worries, you will be selecting a billing account for that. So once you're here on the upper left beside Google Cloud Platform, you will see here create new project or new project if it's the first time, and then just enter your project name. Just click on create, and once you have created that, okay, select that specific project. So you'll see here it's the EZDeals project, right? And then go to the navigation menu and then click on library. So you'll see it under APIs and services. So once you're on the library, you have to enable two APIs. So first is the geocoding API. So when you click on that, just click on enable. Right? And then the other one is you have to enable. So again, let's enable places. So places API. So those two, you have to enable them on this specific project. And then once it's done, again, go back to APIs and services, go to credentials, and then click on create credentials and select API key. So once it's done, you will see that API key is created. Now copy this API key, and then we have to paste it here on your EZDeals account. So go to the settings tab of your EZDeals, and you will see here an option to place your API key for Google. So paste on that and then click on save setting. So that's how easy you can get your Google API key and configure them on EZDeals. Here's how to get the Yelp API key and configure it on EZDeals. Now you have to go to yelp.com, and then you have to either log in or sign up to your account. So if you are signing up, you can choose to continue with Facebook, Google, or Apple, or sign up with the following. And then you can just log in if you have your Yelp account. Then once you're logged in, go at the bottom part, and then you will see here under Discover tab, you will see Developers. So click on that one, and then click on Yelp Fusion. Once you are in this Yelp Fusion, click on Get Started. So we'll be creating or getting an API from Yelp. So enter the app name. So in our case, I'll just put EZDeals. Your website, this one is optional, but let's put our subdomain. Then select industry, company, optional, contact email, your contact email, and description. Then once done, you have to check to agree with the terms of use and display requirements. You can easily check also get emails from the developer product news, and then of course CAPTCHA, and then create new app. So do not forget to fill out all the required details. Then you'll see that your app has been created, and below that you will be able to see your client ID API key. So you have to take note of this, and then let's go to the settings page on your EZDeals. Go to settings tab. So you have to paste here your Yelp API key. Then do not forget to click on Save Setting. So Yelp API keys is saved successfully. So that's how you can get your Yelp API and configure them on your EZDeals. Here are the steps in getting your Foursquare API key. So first you have to log in or sign up for a Foursquare account. So you'll have to go here, foursquare.com, so you can add /developers and /signup if it's your first time of creating an account, or log in if you have your own Foursquare account. So when signing up, all you have to do is to fill out the details as necessary. Once you're done, you'll be sent a verification email to the email address that you have put on your account. So once you have verified your account, all you have to do here is to create new app, and then you'll be asked to put your app name and the URL. So let's put here EZDeals. So the URL. So we put the EZDeals.app and then CAPTCHA. Click next. So it has been successfully created, and you will see your client ID and client secret key. So this one, you have to copy this and paste it on the settings of your EZDeals account. So here's how to configure your SMTP settings, or the Simple Mail Transfer Protocol server. So you have to set it up on your cPanel. So first you have to log into your cPanel account, and then in the cPanel you go to email accounts under the email section. So right here, email accounts. Once you're on the email accounts, you have to click create here on the right side. So then you have to choose the domain from your drop down, and then enter a username and password. And once you're done filling out all the details, you have to click on create. The next step, once your account is created, click on the connect devices button here on the rightmost side. And then on this page, you will find the username and the URL and SMTP port number of the outgoing server. So basically, we use this SMTP server to send, receive, and relay outgoing emails between the senders and receivers. So once you have this, you can go straight to your EZDeals account and go to the settings page. So you can just simply fill out the sender settings, your name, email, and then for the SMTP details, so you will get that from your cPanel, the one that we have just set up. So again, here in the SMTP details, you can paste your URL from the outgoing server in the host name field, and then your username and password that you created earlier in the cPanel. And then for the SMTP port, you have to paste one on the outgoing server. So this one, you have to paste that on your EZDeals account. So once you have filled out the details, so again, hostname, URL from the outgoing server, your username and password created, and then for that port, it should be SMTP port from the outgoing server. And then do not forget to click on Save Setting. So that's how you can set up your SMTP or configure your SMTP on EZDeals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can search for businesses and add them to your directory site. Now in here, you have to make sure that you have already enabled the API keys on the settings of your EZDeals before you do or click this research. So assuming that we have already done that, click on research. So here, if you click on search business, this will help you find local businesses that might need your help. So this would allow them to be listed on your directory site. So enter the keyword. So in our case, so for example, I'm looking for restaurants nearby or locally. So we can select here the location. So for example, I'm looking for restaurants in New York. So you can even customize the search radius. So miles, 3 miles, 6 miles, 9, 12, depending on how far. And you have to select the source. So again, you have to make sure that you have enabled the API for both. So for Google, so let's say the search radius I have set is only 5,000 meters, right? So click on search. Then below, you'll be able to see the following businesses available based on your keyword and your selected source and radius, and of course the location. So here, you will see this restaurant. So Jose Luis, you have the Terrace Restaurant and Bakery. Okay, so if you are going to add this on your directory site, you can just simply click Save as Draft. So it's successfully imported. It means it's on your directory site. So let's pick out several restaurants to include. So you can also filter your results. So according to WordPress sites, with social media presence, with websites, websites without videos. So you can select from there. So below, you can also click to load more. So you can also even see the ratings of the restaurant. So we also have here the option to check page speed and responsiveness. So those are the available details that you can get from this businesses or listed businesses on the selected location and specified keyword. Now let's try to go back. So on your dashboard, you can go to directory list for you to see the added businesses. So it's being imported on your directory site. Now, the only thing that you have to do is to toggle on between this on and off for it to be appearing or to show in your directory. right? So we can just turn on this listings. All right, so aside from turning this on, do not forget to click on get the website data. So here, also on the right side, you will see select a category. So we have a separate video on how you can create categories for your listing. So let's say this one is for food. And then when selecting the deals page or deal page, you can select the one that you have created from EZDeals. So you can link the deals that you have created from there to a specific business. Right? So as you can see, it's automatic and will show you that the listing is updated on the lower right portion. So you can even select, for example, a deal that you have created from EZDeals. So just like that, listing updated, right? So if you want to remove, just click on the select deal page option. Right, so that's how you can search for businesses and add them to your directory list. And then at the same time, you'll be able to see there the following data about the business or get their website data. And that's how you can view them on your directory list or directory site. So on the home page, so you will see here there's a category for food. So we have added this 2 under the category of food. So you can see also the businesses that you have added on the listing tab or section. So right here, these are the businesses that we have added from using the business research. And we have added the deal here. So you can view deal. So that's how it would look like. So this one is created from EZDeals. Alright. So let's go back to listing. So now again, that's very easy for you to look for businesses that might need your help. So you can just simply email them, contact them that your business is listed on our directory site. So if you might want to continue to be part of the directory list, so you can choose from the following plans. So that one, we have templates that you can use to send them emails or to contact them, right? So just for now, that's how you can use the business research on EZLeads, and stay tuned for the next videos.